Meaning of hapless.
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 Hapless. The word hapless means unlucky or unfortunate. It refers to someone who seems to have encountered a string of bad luck or has consistently been on the losing end of things. This term can apply to various situations, such as sports teams that always seem to lose, people who experience a series of mishaps, or even a protagonist in a tragic story. Being hapless can evoke sympathy from others, as it implies a lack of control over one's misfortunes, and conveys a sense of helplessness in the face of adversity.